Mr. Principal.
Yeah, welcome, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Angel, how are you?
I'm splendid, thank you, and you?
Good, welcome.
This is Mr. Chief
Pius.
Pius. He wants to enroll his daughter here.
Okay, Chief Pius, good morning.
Thank you.
Welcome to our school.
Good morning.
Please, let's get to the office and talk.
Movement. My hand. Village. I have 5 barriers to attending.
Wow.
So I cannot have chance drop my daughter to school, moving back to village. It's not easy.
Yeah, but then we need to talk in the office. You want to enroll your child, so you need to talk in the office.
Explanation to it here. I will understand it very, very perfect.
Well, very well if you insist.
Yes.
Actually, welcome to ONEBS Foundation Academy. That is the name of the school. Yeah.
The name again.
ONEBS Foundation Academy. ONEBS. ONEBS. ONEBS Foundation Academy. I said ONEBS. ONEBS Foundation. Say it.
Onions.
Onion. That is actually a vegetable. We are talking about ONEBS. That is the name of the school. ONEBS Foundation Academy.
ONEBS. That is the name of the school.
That is good.
Oh, faster brain to me. Ishim Kobu.
I can say it, I can see she's actually trying to cope up.
Yes.
So you're welcome. So what's the name?
Motors of money. I said them vehicles. Motors of money.
I will bob because you could all your question was Monapana catastrophic.
Catastrophe.
Actually, you don't. When you talk about catastrophe, it goes in the negative. You can't claim catastrophe to yourself.
Your name. Then I'm going to hear what. Oh, yeah, walk attack no more.
Actually, like I said, this is a co-ed. That's a co-educational school, and we have also facilities for both day students and boarding students. That is to say, your child, if you want your child to be living in the school, we have exotic dormitory facility for them. If you are not within the state, Imo State, your child can stay school in ONEBS Foundation Academy in a very cozy and exotic environment with 24 hours power supply and 24 hours security, including canine unit. That means canine security. We have security dogs here that can take care of our security, aiding the humans here too.
As you talk to me, anybody will want bring in child from overseas, America, London, UK, USA, to school inside here. So some parents go say, I want my child to go back home and become educated. So if you bring them here, educate by grade. Only important way to educate here, you can take care of it.
This is ONEBS Foundation Academy. It is owned by an NGO, ONEBS Foundation Incorporated, located in the United States of America, and we are affiliated with the University of Maryland in the USA. So we
Maryland because
yes, and that avails opportunity for our students to travel every year for annual vacation in the United States of America.
Students here every summer.
Every summer. Actually, you people call it over here. It is called the long vacation.
Long vacation. Yeah, well, August.
Yes.
August. September.
Yes.
So my America.
Yes.
America, no?
Yes.
It's
a yearly thing.
USA data. You log a cost me to make my child to school into the school. I must do it.
Oh my God.
You're America.
I will enroll.
Hey, at America.
Enroll. I want to be enrolled into ONEBS Foundation Academy. Tell your dad.
Hey! With these few points of mine, I strongly believe that co-education is worse than co-education.
Hey, mama. Why you didn't know about
me?
Name Bushitaba English. Dutch Agula. Wow!
I
know. Hey!
Wow, it's an exclamation.
Oh, we hate to get. Oh, I got this island daughter. I just wow land I need. Not an 81 neti. Dig let Chaganya. Let them one way, Anya. Adam way. Mbogracialo. That's an immediate education.
What I can do? Syllabus.
Yep, or syllabus called neighbors and email conjugal blessing. She walk us here, girl. Go, nomenclature.
Go brush your goose.
Nem Kegoya. Oga, get a school luggage. Oga, what you wish? Nam, Costa Sorry for interrupt.
It's okay. Actually, we also have our school has both for daycare. We have kindergarten. We have the nursery. We have the middle school, and we have the high school. The middle school and high school is what you call the primary and the secondary over here.
Gotcha.
Yes. So for all level of learning, our school has the facility for that. And our teachers are actually certified in education. We have the master's degree holders. We have the PhD degree holders. All are educationally satisfied. So your child has the ability and the access to be taught in the best possible way using Montessori standard of teaching.
Hey!
Mosaina
Nonga.
I said Montessori. That means that means we use both the British and the American system of education in our curriculum.
In conjunction, America, British, Abakota yon, British Abala Jama. British Abala Jama. Let me change the school. Ebi na agledo to West School we shall show you. In what she can help with. Go watch him hanging up coat. Number. ONEBS.
ONEBS Foundation Academy. That is where you are, where you learn digitally, physically, and you apply oral English, diction, and phonetics to ensure that you speak English correctly. We also teach both science-based and arts-based subjects. That means your child has the access to do whatever he or she is interested in, probably to go on the art discipline or on the science discipline. We have well-equipped science laboratories, both physics, chemistry, and biology laboratories. We also have language studio with audio visual facilities. Language studios such as French language studio. We have the diction studios for oral English and pronunciation purposes. Okay, and then we have the computer laboratory, fully equipped with our screen projectors and computer system, one for every student. We are digitally inclined. It's an ICT-based school.
Hey!
ONEBS Foundation.
Oh, AIT school.
ICT, that means information communication technology based.
You people have done worse. You have done worse. So much. When I one thing to one thing, blame to one thing. We almost fighted.
You mean something leads to something?
Oh, team and them. We almost fighted. But when I
fought.
I would do, but I'm not to.
That's in the past. You are reporting a speech, an action.
Okay. Me and she, we are fought.
You don't use me, you use I.
Okay. I, Yama, we fought. Fought on us. We almost fought. It was when your student, Angel, your student. Makachuku watakri with English. I was corrupted. Here we are Sam Beke Waba. I now ask her question. Where is your daughter into school? Osim, don't mention. Let me take you there.
You're welcome.
I am attracted. You people do well. I want to also tell other parents who are listening to us, wherever you are hearing us from, are you in America, Las Vegas, UK, Canada, Thailand,
Elope.
Russia, Elope. Watch. You can actually bring your world or your children here to have a better education, because they say education is the key. Education is the key. Once you have education, you can do everything in this life as long as it is positive. So I am urging all our parents. We are urging all our parents. We are urging all mothers and fathers who are listening to us. Please, we urge you to send your daughters, send your son, send your children, send your word into ONEBS Foundation Academy. As you do, you'll be smiling.
ONEBS Foundation Academy School, Owerri, Imo State, Nigeria, is the best school to enroll your child.